Okay. So, you guys, oh, well, what are the chances of that box on top of that green chair about 20 feet from me or more lighting up? It's done it twice. That's weird. The TV could light up. The book stand, or the TV stand, the mirror table. Lots of things in this picture, you guys, could light up, but the one thing I wish would light up has lit up twice. I just saw something in the doorway. Yeah, he's got his hand on it. You see that, you guys? Do it again, bro. Okay, so that's 3 times now. There's 4 times now. There he is.